Entonces, bienvenido, language explorers. Vamos a ver tipos de herramientas. Herramientas, so tools, types of tools. Oh, perfect. Yeah, look at that. Types of tools. So, tape measure, cita metrica, tape measure. Not quite. Oh, no, not quite. Tape measure. And then hammer. Hammer, very good. Hammer. Martillo. Martillo. And tornillo de banco. Tornillo de banco. Vice. Like a vice. To hold things in place. Vice. So let's have a look. Vice, maybe. Not quite. Then we have file. Not the same. So archivo. To make things smooth. File. And ladder. Escalara. Oh, perfect. Ladder. Look at that. Very good. Very good. And so we have Sierra de Metales. Sierra para metales. So a hacksaw. Okay, a saw maybe. Saw. Oh, perfect. Yeah. So here is a Sierra. So a saw. A saw. Saw. Very good. Now screwdriver. Okay. Oh, perfect. Here we are. Screwdriver. Very good. Yep, screwdriver. But screwdriver is destornillador. Destornillador. And nut is tuerca. Tuerca. Let's try and get a nut then. Nut. Not quite. Here we are. Nut. And toolbox, so herramiente. Caja de herramientas. De herramientas. Toolbox. Toolbox. Oh, perfect. Yes. Perfect. Look at that. Toolbox. Yeah. Very good. But then bolt, which is really this. Oops, not that one. Not that one. Oh, I don't want to do that. There we are. Very good. Very good. So if this is the screw and this is the bolt. Oh, that's the nut. Okay. So bolt, perno. Perno. And tornillo. Then we have clavo. So bolt, tornillo, and clavo. Clavo, yes, a nail. No, not quite. So screw. Let's try and get a screw. Not quite. A nail. Nail. So like this, like a nail for the hammer, for martillo. And drill. Oh, drill. Taladro. 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 Not quite drill. A drill. Oh, never mind. An ancho. Ancho, is it ancho? Hacha. That's it. Hacha for axe. Hacha. Here we are. Look at that. Hacha. Axe. Nice. How cool is that? Hacha. Yeah, very good. Very good. And pliers. Let's have a look. Pliers. So alicates. Pliers. Plier. Oh, not quite. Yeah. So pliers. So monkey wrench. This is weird. So a wrench. Yeah, here we are. A wrench. Very good. Wrench and spanner. Spanner. But llave de inglés. Llave inglesa. Llave inglesa. Okay. Spanner. Spanner. Okay. And then jigsaw. Jigsaw. Sierra de calar. Jigsaw. Let's have a look for a jigsaw. Not quite, yeah. And llaves Allen. Allen keys. Allen keys. I believe they are... Oh, not quite. Yeah, not quite. So, Allen key. Allen key. Mojuto. Yeah. So, types of tools. So, tape measure. Tape measure. Hammer. Hammer. Vice. File. File. Smooth things down. A ladder. Ladder. Hacksaw. Another one. Hacksaw and saw. Sierra. Hacksaw. Screwdriver. Nut and toolbox. Bolt and screw. Nail. Drill. An axe. Pliers. And monkey wrench and spanner. Llave inglesa. Jigsaw and Allen key. Llave Allen. And Sierra de Calar. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. So puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And también puedes encontrarme en Udemy, porque tengo más clases de inglés ahí. Entonces, vamos a continuar explorando.